Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Yuki again for another product review. Medyo delay kasi nagkasakit kami. But here it is, our most awaited Royal Kludge RK100. I've been looking for a budget-friendly mechanical gaming keyboard with more features at the same time, kahit na medyo affordable, and suddenly I came across this product of Royal Kludge called RK100. Outside of the box, makikita mo yung mga QR codes for their manual and their main page. It's very straightforward, so wala namang unique. Let's unbox this. Unang-una ay here's the store where I bought the product. PC Hub Peripherals sa Facebook or sa Shopee. They're very accommodating. I'll put their link down below. Here's the user manual. It gives you all the information you need, how to use, how to control the backlight control or the keys, and also the system requirements. Very useful. And here's the keyboard itself. Meron lang siyang manipis na plastic. I'll give you a quick round tour nung keyboard natin. So, ayan. This is a double shot keycap, by the way. So, makikita mo talaga yung kulay ng RGB lighting niya. This is the side. Very ergonomic. And there's two USB pass-through. And this is USB-C for charger. And here's the left side. Alright, meron siyang height adjuster, meron ding rubber stopper. On and off ng keyboard for Bluetooth or 2.4 GHz. Ayan yung model niya. And then yung USB dongle niya for 2.4 GHz connectivity. Magnetic din siya. And wala siyang alog or tunog. Okay. Very good build. Next, inside the box is yung charger niya. Yan, USB-C na siya and makapal siya, mahaba din. So, very good din kasi hindi bitin. Decent yung length niya. Para siyang Apple charger yung texture. And there's an extra switches, red switches by Royal Kludge. But base here, 3 pins siya. So, I can compare it to Otemu. Before, Otemu kasi yung switch ko sa aking Red Dragon Mitra. So, it looks very similar. Ayan. So, etong part na to, I'm just comparing if lahat ba straight yung pins. Most kasi pagka ganito, minsan bent yung iba. So, I just checked it. And then, meron pa. Last is free switch and keycap puller. Ito, medyo masikip dito. So, adjust nyo na lang. Madali lang naman. Yan. ayun lang, wala nang laman yung box, so tabi na natin. Here is the main event. So this keyboard is a 96% layout. It's a compact style nga. It has 100 keys and it's RGB keyboard. So ito ang height adjuster niya. So yan lang, either nakababayan or nakataas yan. So 2 height lang. And medyo masakit siyang iangat. So USB dongle, ayan, dyan lang siya. Neat, kasi meron siyang lagayan. Ang linis niyang tignan. So let's check yung keycap and switch. As you can see, it's double shot keycap. So makikita mo talaga yung RGB lighting niyan. And ayan, red switch tayo. Let's pull it out. As you can see, 3 pins siya. But since this is a hot swappable keyboard, compatible din siya sa 5 pins. So, ayan. Makikita mo. And in fairness, hindi siya mahirap hugutin or ibalik. Di tulad nung sa Red Dragon ko. Medyo makunat siyang tanggalin. Here are the indicators. Yan ay for number pad, caps lock, 2.4 GHz connectivity, Bluetooth, and battery. So here's the on and off for the keyboard itself. Ayan, chine-check ko dito yung RGB lighting niya. By the way, yung mga controls ng RGB nandun sa manual. You can also see it in here. So, pag nag-iba-iba na yung kulay niya, like ganyan, it means na na-max mo na siya. That's the brightness nung ilaw. And ito naman yung speed nung pagkalaw. Basta pagka nag-iba-iba na siya ng kulay, ganyan, ibig sabihin yun na yung max. And that's how you change the color. FN and then delete. And then to change the design or yung pattern, FN print screen. It actually has 21 programs or 21 different lighting modes. Meron pang gaming. Ayan. Maganda yung kulay niya in person. So, medyo nag-flicker lang dito sa camera. Pero in person, hindi siya ganyan mag-flicker. And yung kulay niya is very bright. This also support Windows and Mac mode with corresponding shortcut keys, compatible with iOS, Android, and other devices through Bluetooth 5.0. Battery capacity is 3,750 mAh lithium battery. Let's proceed with the typing. By the way, this sound that you're listening right now is all stock. So, hindi siya modded, wala akong pinalitan na switch, or hindi siya lubed nung dumating. So, kung ano siya out of the box, yan yung tunog niya talaga. By the way, I also changed or bought keycaps from Shopee. So, I replaced the keycaps here. Most of the keycaps here on this keyboard, And if you're interested with it, just comment down below so I can make a video about it. So we can review. It's the honey milk keycaps from Shopee. I'll link everything in the description down below, yung store and all. So, there you go. Ito na po yung RK100 mechanical keyboard by Royal Kludge. And it has RGB because there's two types of Royal Kludge RK100. Merong RGB and non-RGB. I can say that this is a very good buy for this mechanical keyboard, worth the price yung mga features niya. And I'll put on the description down below yung link ng store and yung price kung magkano siya nakuha. And overall, it's really good. I'm very satisfied with it. And I'll make a video about it maybe a couple of months. But there you go. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.